Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Notice here that I'm reducing this pocket down to 3 1/8 inch, and I'm working on my draw shot. This video is a follow-up to a recent video that I posted, which I will also include within the description of this video. What I'm working on here is to maintain a loose grip while I draw the cue ball back into the corner pocket. One of the things that has always fascinated me with the Filipino players, especially Efren Reyes, is the grip hand that they use. When you watch them play, you'll notice that they're very loose and very fluid with their grip as they go through the cue ball. In working on this exercise, while maintaining this loose grip that I've mentioned, I've noticed that I can draw the cue ball back much easier rather than pounding the ball. A loose grip allows us to create great power with finesse. As you watch me shoot here, I want you to pay attention to something. See if you can notice a flaw within my follow-through. Were you able to catch it? What it is that I veer my cue to my left. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to attempt to hold my hand closer to my body throughout the follow-through. Another thing I want to show you is a slow motion of my grip hand pressure. That's what this video is all about. By maintaining a loose and relaxed grip, the cue stays straight down the shot line, pocketing the shot easily. During this practice session, there were 2 shots in a row where I gripped my cue a bit too tightly, which resulted in my cue not going straight down the shot line. I also want to point out that from this camera angle, I did remove the pocket reducer, which allowed me to pocket the shot incorrectly into one side of the pocket. Thus, the cue ball did not come straight back. As I've mentioned before in my videos, it's really about the process. When we miss shots or when we do not execute as we expect to, we can get that immediate feedback that allows us to make the adjustments that we will need to make so that we can be more successful and consistent. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, everyone, and until next time, as I always say, keep on practicing.